Hello, dear friends. This is Phone Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. And also write your feedback in the comments if this video helps you, or if you have any questions. Thank you. In this video, I want to show and tell you how to block the profile of a user or your friend on Facebook. To do that, you just find this account that you want to block. Let's go to one of your friends, for example, this account. Now we just click here, 3 dots, and click on the block button here. Now click again on block and we just block this person. Now in order for me to unblock this person, now we click on the menu down here a little bit lower, click on. Also from Meta, Setting and Private, now click, and here we will have to find the item block. If we don't have it here, we click search and here just write block here. Blocked people, click, and here is the list of all the people we blocked. Now to unblock this person, click unblock, and then we have unblocked this person. As you can see, this is a very simple and fast way. Done. There is nothing complicated. If you like this video, put likes and subscribe to the channel. And also watch other useful videos on the channel. That was Phone Support. Bye bye. See you later.